To change the cleanup cuts in WinBidPro, we'll go to the Finishes view. To get to the Finishes view, start by clicking the Catalogs menu. If a job is open, you'll see Finishes in this menu for the current catalog. Otherwise, you can go to Available Catalogs, then the vendor catalog you want, then Finishes. The default cleanup cuts are specified at the bottom. You can specify a different cleanup cut for both the head and tail of the stock. You may require a different amount of cleanup for some finishes. For each finish, you can override the default cleanup by clicking into the cleanup columns for that finish and entering a value. To return to the default, leave the cell value blank. As an example here, we have specified 3 inches of cleanup on each end for bronze, which is an anodized finish. Let's now see how this is factored into our optimized stock list. Go to Reports, then Stock List. Find the Cut Pieces column. You may have to scroll to the right. Here we see the pieces to be cut from the stock. Cleanup cuts are designated by an asterisk after the length. Then you'll find the cut pieces, surrounded by square brackets. The leftover material, or drop, is in parentheses, followed by the tail cleanup cut, again designated by an asterisk. That wraps up this video on cleanup cuts. Let us know in the comments if this was helpful. Until next time, happy glazing!